Ndakugeithia murori wa Ngugi wa Karanja MC TV ni njito Ngugi wa Karanja MC Mubui wa mbere ya marigu we witagwo atia
nie njitagwo Margaret Jambi kana Magi Mwas Mugasiko wa mbere ya Ithirando Ithirando wa mbere ya Gatu
kana Mwangi Mwash tutuka kumawishira Christmas njega.
We are going to wish them a Merry Christmas Day.
Tuka kuwishira Christmas njega na mwaka mwerũ tumainire
tukumainira tu tugukia kumainira
magaki.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Giyaro ko iroguo. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Tukamucokeria ngatho cia mwanya muno ni tondu wa support ire muthite na mbena gutunyitirira tukamucokeria ngatho ni tondu wa support. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So wage kandu nake
we wish you a Happy Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas all of you.
Thank you. Asante sana, tunashukuru. Thank you for the support. Thank you for everything. God bless you so much. Enjoy your Christmas. Tutogane 2022 maundu mothe magirire. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Na tumera tere ugithie Christmas ri ni wega go subscribe thini wa channel.
Channel.
Subscribe mo oya thimu ya mundu ungi andu a family yanyu go subscribe nigetha tuthina mbe kutukiongerera andu ingi muno na maundu makoro memega.
Na
so ikandu ari okuo.
Ari okuo. Na no akigwa no akiuga ma subscribe age gwa Cucu wa Gikandu YouTube channel. Kana atia guthia. Yeni ma subscribe, ma comment, ma view na ma like. And they share to others.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. God bless you. To Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you.